Hi everyone and welcome back to my RG Creation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. I am really excited about this speaker because I've heard great things about it. It's supposed to be loud, portable and waterproof. So let's get started. Alright, here's the box. It's a nice, sleek design with a picture of the speaker on the front.
Everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close.
On the back, there are some specs about the speaker, like the battery life and the Bluetooth range. Let's open it up and see what's inside.
Got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'll let you keep me up.
Inside, we have the speaker itself, a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. The speaker itself is a bit smaller than I expected, but it's still a decent size. It's also very lightweight, so it's easy to carry around. The speaker is made of a durable plastic material and it feels very well built. On the top of the speaker, we have the power button, the play pause button, the volume up down buttons, and the party boost button. The party boost button allows you to connect to Flip 6 speakers together for a louder sound. On the back of the speaker, we have the USB-C charging port and the 3.5mm auxiliary input. Features of Bluetooth speaker. The JBL Flip 6 has a number of features that make it a great Bluetooth speaker. First, it's waterproof and dustproof, so you can take it to the beach or the pool without having to worry about it getting damaged. Second, it has a 12-hour battery life, so you can listen to music all day long without having to worry about it running out of power. Speaker will show up as JBL Flip 6. Tap on it to connect. App functionality. The JBL Flip 6 also has a companion app that you can download for your smartphone or tablet. The app allows you to customize the speaker's EQ settings as well as update the firmware. Sound test. Alright, now it's time for a sound test. I'm going to play a couple of different songs to see how the speaker sounds. Play a few different songs. As you can hear, the JBL Flip 6 sounds great. It has a clear, powerful sound with good bass response. Sound output. The JBL Flip 6 can output sound in two different ways, Bluetooth and auxiliary input. To use the Bluetooth input, simply pair the speaker with your Bluetooth device. To use the auxiliary input, simply connect a 3.5mm audio cable to the auxiliary input port on the back of the speaker and then connect the other end of the cable to your audio source. Overall, I'm very impressed with the JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. It's loud, portable, waterproof, and has a great sound. If you're looking for a new Bluetooth speaker, I highly recommend the JBL Flip 6. This product link is description box. If you buy this product, please check out description box and purchase it. Thanks for watching.